Ooh, I got an air show shirt.
Oh, Daddy's got one like Max now.
Awesome.
Mine.
What do you get, Max? Yay! Oh, Adrian, what have you got?
Thanks, Chrissy and Mark, for my air show shirt.
Is that some fancy slippers and jammies? Oh, wow. Thanks, Grammy. What do you guys say?
This.
Look at those slippers.
This.
Oh, hold on. I don't know who that's for. Oh, that is for you. That's from Uncle Mark to Max.
Wow.
Wow.
What have you got there, Max?
That is so cute, eh?
I stepped on some gravel.
You stepped on gravel?
Yeah.
So that's why you got to wear your slippers? Because that's why Mommy always wears hers out.
Stop.
Back runs the van.
Stop.
What have you got, bud?
Stop.
Is it a
Ooh,
truck?
Diego
Oh,
truck.
wow. What do you show Mommy, Max? What have you got?
Stop. Stop.
Is your truck stuck?
Don't Daddy open up that truck for you?